Hello friends, my name is Tolya Malia from RFL Academy Porbandar. My project name is Crane. I have made crane from window to point kit. Crane is used simple machine pulley as to lift a heavy load. He is used in construction site and dockyard. In this model, I have used one motor, two motor, pulley mechanism, gear mechanism. One motor is used to up and down, and other motor is used to left and right. Let's see how it works. Thank you.